So today be installing the Asphalt Killerz. I guess it goes down here. Okay, Asphalt Killerz cell phone mount. It's got a giant, much stronger magnet. If you go to their website, you can see. I believe he put the video on there. Maybe it's on his YouTube. But this magnet is like, I want to say he said 3 times stronger than the Redline magnet. But you can see this nice little curve here. So it goes behind the clock, and then this little curve looks like it fits the dash. So it'll be right here with the magnet right there. It's a good spot. Looks like from driving I should still be able to see the radio if I need to. Okay, so I should only need 2 tools. This is an Allen key here. Looks like maybe a 3 mil. Yep, 3 mil. So I'll loosen that, and just need to pull the clock out. So I've got this skin wedge tool here. I think, let's see, I haven't pulled these gauges out before, but from what I understand, they just kind of pull out, and I think I can probably do it with just my hands, but just can't really get my fingers under there. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Skin wedge tool is so handy. It's basically, you can go to obsessgarage.com, but it's basically a stainless steel thumbnail. It's super thin, might be thinner than your thumbnail, but gosh, for working on cars, it's so good. Okay, so just need to take this hex key, use the hex key, take the hex bolt out, and then this will go around these wires here. Let that hang. Carefully around the wires. Feed those 2 through. Okay. And then this one. So now that's through. It doesn't seem to really fit that well over this rubber surround that tightens it in there. So I think really what should be done, we'll pull this rubber back as well off of here, and then I think the the cell phone mount really, yeah, fits nice and snug around here, and the metal matches nicely. You can see that metal is a good match, and then the rubber ring, which will hold it snug in the dash, goes back around the back of the clock. Got a wire cut here. That's interesting. I wonder what that's for. Okay, so the cell phone mount is in. The card ran out of space just now, so cell phone mount is in. Super strong. I still have just this little circle one. So he sends 2 new ones, a big rectangle and a circle that matches that size. This one's much smaller, it's from a previous mount and one of the other cars, but yeah, even with that. So good point of view here. Still see the radio if I really need to. This is actually more my eye line here. Clock, although don't really need that, but this will be great for maps, clock, radio, Bluetooth, everything. So go ahead and do this little guy next. I've never seen any videos on this, but this is just the key bezel, ignition bezel. The factory ones get pretty ugly and faded, so you'll see if you ever buy one, it's threaded on the inside here. So it seems pretty straightforward. I assume I just kind of unscrew this here like this. Yeah, that comes off. And now the new one should just thread on there. Feels like it's on there. Yeah, so the key's recessed just a little bit in there, but it does look significantly better. Okay. I've also never seen a video on how to do this, but I'm just going to guess it's pretty straightforward. So he's making these as well, a few different kinds, but I like this one. I put a little oil or Vaseline really on this to kind of soften it up. It actually feels really nice and soft, and I gave it a little bit of a distressed or patina kind of look to it. So I don't know if you just pull that off. That's what I'm going to try and do. I don't know if that's right, but we'll find out. So this thing kind of worn and just gross looking. Doesn't seem like there's any way to get that off otherwise, so just kind of work around there. Yeah, that seems right. Okay, easy enough. Here we go. I already put a new rubber gasket around here because that thing was disgusting and corroded. We got the car. Alright, all freshened up. This little cap. Okay, so Asphalt Killerz, 3 new things today for the car. Cell phone mount, and then we did the key bezel here, the ignition bezel, followed by the gas cap, gas fuel drip. I don't know what they call these things.